Hi, Andrew here with the Reach Company. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking over the blog post areas for the JELF website. You guys have a pretty robust blogging capability on this website. Your blog encompasses your stories, such as JELFies here. Those JELFies and others may or not have videos. We have update capability, just written article capability, and press, sharing the press that JELF is getting as well. And so here we have a JELFie that has their name, their information, their story. We have another JELFie that has a video with the same information here. We have, that is the post page. We have just a regular video story, and then a little bit of what they shared about it. And then we have JELF Press. So this is an article that you guys shared. This is static information here. There's a link to view the article, and then information about the article itself. So let's look at how to handle these and where they live. So let's say you're on your dashboard right here. You want to add a new blog post. Click Add a New Blog Post. Instead of adding a new one, we're going to look at one that's already populated and see how it works. And we're going to look at Tomer's post right here. So we're going to click Edit here. If you wanted to add a new one, of course, you'd click Add New. Your first time in here, we use Gutenberg, which is a editor that is native to WordPress and the newer WordPress. So your first time in, you'll get a little tip pop up like this that kind of walks you through the different areas. It's always helpful to go through these, and it'll walk you through learning a little more about Gutenberg. So here at the top, of course, we have the title. This is typically going to be the person that the thing is about, the story is about. I have a quote box here. Of course, you can change it to a different one if you'd like. If you're finished with that, you hit enter, or you start typing in a new block right here, and you can write your blog post content as such. And below that, we have a few different layouts that are important to how the information is displayed on the front end, and might or may not bring up fields on the back depending on your choice. So we have a layout selection here. What is your post about? Here we have JELFie information, and so when we have JELFie information, we add relevant information right here. First is the headshot. So this is where you would upload the image of the person. Typically, I use a headshot here, and then this is what shows up, like right here. And then you have a featured image, which is like a 16:9 ratio image, and this is used as the feature image in the blog content. University attended, degree achieved, and if this JELFie has a video, you can add the video link from YouTube right here, and it'll populate, of course, right here on the front end. On the categories, I added JELFies and full circle. I'm not using tags too much on this site, but you guys are welcome to add tags here. And I would click update. Now let's go to add new, since we have a understanding of those different kinds of things. So I'm going to say this is a test article, and I'm going to write neat stuff about what JELF is doing. Now for my layout, we can walk through a few of these. For this one is a written article, and it says if you selected written article, that's it. Once you've added your article content, just select the appropriate categories, tags, and publish your post. If you have a link, we can add a button directly to the content using this. Maybe we want to do a video story or update, so we would add our video link from YouTube right here. Keep in mind that it has to be a full URL. You can't use the little short link they gave you. Just make sure you copy the YouTube link from this top bar, and that'll be the one that you use. Again, if you have a link that needs to go somewhere else, you can add it here and change the button text, and it'll update that. We have a recap with a photo gallery. I love that you guys take a lot of pictures at your events. You can highlight a few of them here. So we can photos for gallery such and such. We can add our media images right here. And then if you guys have an album on Facebook, you might want to link to the full album. I wouldn't recommend putting a million pictures in your blog posts, but you can put like view more pictures from this event and link directly to your Facebook page. And then lastly, we have the JELF information, which is what Tomer was a second ago. So we would add a headshot, add the university attended, the degree achieved, and if there's a video to go along with this, we can certainly add that as well. And of course, you would add their written content, their quotes, their story up here. And now that we've handled this side, let's look at over here. So we want to be on the document settings so that we can see everything here. We would add a category, a tag if you would like. We would set the featured image, and then hit publish, and that would publish it on the front end of the website, and it would fall into, it would look like one of these that we've already published here.